Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can filter the comments on TikTok. So it's very easy, just going to tap on three lines in the top right corner and select settings and privacy. So you can select privacy here, scroll down and select comments. So you can find comment filters option. Just enable for filters. All comments to recent comments on your videos will be hidden unless you approve them. Or you can select filter keywords for recent comments with specified keyword on your videos will be hidden unless you approve them. You can adjust for filter selected comments types for this option. For example, for advertisement and spam, you can select for automatic to show all the comments, or let's control to help viewers comments for review, or more control to hold more comments for review. So this how to filter comments on TikTok. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click thanks button for appreciate and show thanks. Bye bye.